In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to undo send or unsend an email in Zoho Mail. This feature is incredibly useful for those moments when you have second thoughts about an email you've just sent, or perhaps you've noticed a typo or realized you've forgotten an important attachment. With Zoho Mail, you have the ability to quickly recall emails after they've been sent. To get started, you'll first need to open your Zoho Mail account. Once you're logged in, locate the settings icon, which is typically found at the top right corner of the interface. Clicking on it will open a drop-down menu. Settings menus are key to customizing your email experience, and here you'll find a range of options to tailor how your emails behave. Next, look for the option labeled Compose. Clicking on Compose will bring up the specific settings that pertain to writing and sending your emails. This is the area where we can make adjustments to configure the unsend feature. Within the Compose settings, you'll find the section titled Outbox Delay. By enabling outbox delay, your emails are held in a queue for a brief amount of time before they're actually sent. This gives you an opportunity to pause, review, and decide whether or not you really want to finalize the send. After engaging the outbox delay setting, you have further configuration options to adjust the undo interval. This setting is crucial as it determines how much time you have to undo a sent email. You can decide whether you want this undo period to be measured in minutes or seconds. As you ponder over the duration, think about how much time you typically need to catch an error or reconsider your decision. For more precise control, you can also click on Delay Emails in Outbox 4 and select your preferred time frame. Here, you can choose a delay measured in minutes. However, if you desire a shorter time frame, switch from minutes to seconds by clicking on Seconds. With this option, you have the flexibility to set a more immediate undo period if that's what suits your work rhythm best. The next important adjustment is done with the Undo Within feature. This specifies how long emails remain retractable. Again, in this menu, you'll have the chance to specify a duration, which typically ranges between 5 and 30 seconds. Selecting the right amount of time depends largely on your email habits and how quickly you think you might spot an error after hitting send. Finally, after setting these configurations to your satisfaction, remember to save the settings. This ensures that your email account keeps the changes, granting you the newfound ability to pause and undo your emails. With these tools set up in Zoho Mail, you gain a valuable margin of error, giving you more control and flexibility over your sent messages. I hope this tutorial helps you manage your email communication more effectively and confidently. Thank you for watching, and happy emailing.